In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the text property in Figma. If you've ever wanted to make a reusable component where the text can be quickly changed without detaching or digging through layers, this is exactly what the text property is for. It keeps your design consistent while letting you adjust labels, buttons, and headings in just a few clicks. Start by opening your design. Create a text layer with whatever sample copy you like. Then place that text inside a frame so it has a clear home. With the frame selected, turn it into a component using the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows or Cmd+Option+K on Mac. This creates a main component that you can reuse across your file. Giving it a clear name now will help later, especially if you are building a library. Next, open the Assets panel on the left and drag your new component onto the canvas to create an instance. This helps you see how changes through properties will flow to real uses of the component. Remember, the main component is your source of truth, while instances are the copies you'll place throughout your design. With the main component selected, look to the right sidebar. In the Properties section, click the plus icon and choose Text. You are creating a text property that can control a specific text layer. Give the property a clear name like label and set a default value. This default is what new instances will show when you drop them onto the canvas. Now connect that property to your actual text layer. Double-click into the main component, select the text layer inside it, and in the text section of the right sidebar, click the Apply Text Property icon. It looks like a small label. From the menu, pick the text property you just created. You've now linked that property to this text, which means you can control it from the component's properties rather than editing the text directly each time. Here is the payoff. Select any instance of your component on the canvas. In the right sidebar under Properties, you'll see the text property you named earlier. Type a new value, and the text updates instantly on that instance. No detaching. No hunting through layers. If you update the default in the main component, new instances inherit it, while existing instances keep any custom text you've set. That's the power of Figma's text property. Faster edits, consistent components, and cleaner files. Thanks for watching.